In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare Firebase Realtime Database and admin access for a Python app. By the end, you'll have a Firebase project, a real-time database ready to use, a secure service account key for authentication, and the Firebase admin SDK installed in your Python environment. We're focusing on setup only, so you can plug this into your code later with confidence. Start by opening the Firebase console and creating a new project. Give it a clear, memorable name that matches your app or environment, like development or staging. You can leave most defaults as is. Enabling or disabling Google Analytics is up to you and won't affect today's steps. Once the project finishes provisioning, head to the real-time database section. If you don't see it immediately, look under the build area. Create a new database, choose a region close to your users or servers for lower latency, and pick your starting security mode. If you're just experimenting locally, test mode can be convenient, but remember it's open by default. For anything beyond quick testing, locked mode is safer, and you can adjust rules later. Also, don't confuse real-time database with Firestore. They're separate products, so make sure you're in real-time database. Next, generate a service account key so your Python app can authenticate securely. Go to Project Settings, then Service Accounts, and select the Firebase Admin SDK tab. Click Generate New Private Key and confirm to download the JSON file. This file contains credentials your application will use to prove its identity to Firebase. Treat it like a secret. Do not share it and never commit it to version control. Store it in a secure location in your development environment. Exclude it from any public repositories, and restrict file permissions so only you can read it. If you ever suspect it's been exposed, revoke and regenerate a new key from the same settings page. For organization, you can rename the file and keep a stable path that your app can reference later. Finally, install the Firebase Admin SDK for Python. In your terminal or command prompt, and ideally inside a virtual environment to keep dependencies clean, run pip install Firebase Admin. When that finishes, you have everything necessary to connect from Python using the Admin SDK. That's it. You now have a Firebase project, a real-time database set up in the right region, a secure service account key, and the SDK installed. In your next step, you can initialize the admin SDK in Python and start reading and writing data. If you need deeper guidance, the official Firebase docs are a great companion.